Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today our topic is whether aliens reproduce or not. Have you ever imagined? We genuinely discuss on the topics regarding their spaceships, their technology, whether they're friendly or not, will we ever be compatible, and things like this. But have we ever questioned ourselves? How do they multiply themselves or how do they reproduce? Because I genuinely want to. Let's strip down reproduction to its basic level because before we get into this, we need to know the actual requirements for this reproduction cycle before we can imagine how aliens might do it differently. At the most fundamental level, reproduction is just about making a copy of yourselves, like passing the information forward, passing your genes, your blueprint, kids survive into the next generation. And on Earth, life found two main strategies. Strategy 1, asexual reproduction. Strategy 2, sexual reproduction. You make a copy of yourselves. Bacteria do that. They just divide. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, and so on. No partner needed, no genetic mixing, just duplication. It's fast. It's efficient. Under good conditions, one bacteria can become into millions of bacteria in one day. If everyone is copy of everyone else, then if some new disease or environmental challenge comes along, then everyone is equally vulnerable. There is no variation for natural selection to work with. Strategy 2, sexual reproduction, the weird stuff Earth already does. Okay, so before we get to aliens, I need to tell you how bizarre reproduction already is on this planet because I think we underestimate it. Tardigrades, these microscopic water bears you've probably seen, can survive in the vacuum of space and like under extreme radiation and also frozen for decades. And some species reproduce entirely without males. The females just produce eggs that develops without any fertilization, and they have been doing this for decades or like since forever, doing just fine. Clownfish are all born male. The dominant fish in a group is a female, and when she dies, the dominant male changes sex and become female. Gender is just a role reassigned based on social hierarchy. That's already alien. That's already something happening like science fiction, and that's happening in pond water. So on Earth alone, we have sex reproduction. We have theft production, organisms that die the moment they have fulfilled their reproduction purpose, DNA theft from other species, and whatnot. There are probably so many life forms out there. Every method you can possibly think of probably happening out there. Now I'm going to share some possibilities like that can be happening up there. So first one is like humans and animals do. And the second one is like asexual reproduction. Like bacteria divides itself into new parts, into new bacterias like fungi, the way starfish do, fungi and all, egg laying organism or spore based reproduction, fungi or plants releasing their pores into water, air, shape changing cellular reproduction. Colonies of cells could merge or separate, creating new beings. Energy or information transfer. Very speculative science fiction ideas. Consciousness or memories transferred into a new body without any biological process. Hive or colony organism. Like ants or bees, where only certain members reproduce. And I would like you to answer me this question on my comment section, that whether humans and aliens are compatible for reproduction. Do you think so? If you don't, do let me know. If you do, then do let me know for sure. Hopefully see you in the next one.